Hi, this is Colin Abrams. Did you know that a number of the world's largest football clubs are listed on stock exchanges around the world? So what this means is that if you wanted to buy share in one of your favorite clubs, one is able to do that. I'm going to talk a little bit about whether one should buy a stock in a football club or not. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you an interesting cycle that I found in the share price of Manchester United. Please click subscribe to be notified whenever a new video comes out. Now, it's very nice to be able to buy a share in a football team that you've been supporting, maybe since you were a child. It's a very nice thing to do conceptually, that is. But the problem here is that people fall into the trap of thinking because they have an emotional attachment to a certain football club.
The King of London, blood. You understand? We deserve that victory, blood.
It's very tempting to want to buy the share of that particular club. For example, I support Liverpool and I have been supporting them since I was 12 years old, and I'm very passionate about Liverpool. However, would I buy a share in Liverpool if they were listed on the stock exchange, which they're not, by the way? But if they were, would I buy a share in it? The answer is, as much as I love Liverpool and as passionate as I am about Liverpool, I wouldn't buy a share in the Liverpool stock price unless my trading method told me that it was giving a buy signal. Many people fall into the trap of having an emotional attachment to a certain stock. It might not be a football club, of course. It could be Apple because you like their products. It could be Tesla because you love their cars. And because of that, a person might feel that they want to own shares in that company. But really, again, there's only one reason to be buying shares in a certain company, and that's because it's giving you a buy signal based on the method that you use, which is showing you that the odds are lining up in favor of that share moving up. So just be very careful not to buy a stock because of an emotional attachment to that company. This is a chart of Manchester United. But what I saw here, just by looking at it, I noticed an interesting phenomenon is that at the beginning of every calendar year, the share price tends to rally. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2019, 2021, very big rally there. And now 2022, nice rally there as well. Very interesting. Why that happens, I'm not sure. Maybe there are prospects of a good season. Whatever the reason is, of course, it doesn't really matter from a technical analysis point of view. Being a solid Liverpool supporter myself, maybe it's a chance to get something positive out of Man United for once. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.